Hi everyone, this is Shauna from Embracing Keto, and today I'm making a marinara sauce with fresh tomatoes. Oh, it is so good. So keep watching and let's go.
The ingredients that I used is 1/4 of a medium onion diced up, salt and pepper to taste, 4 tomatoes, medium, and then I used a tablespoon of garlic salt, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of basil, and a teaspoon of marjoram. And then we also have olive oil, 2 tablespoons. So the tomatoes are very easy. All you do is you cut them up into big pieces, and you can put them in a magic bullet like I did, or you could put it in a blender. I probably would prefer the blender because the magic bullet would only take 3 of the tomatoes. So I had to go back later and redo the last one. But it still all comes out as puree and it'll work just fine. And look how beautiful. It's a nice pink color and you can't do any wrong. Now you take your pan and you put it over high heat. When the pan is hot, you add your oil, you get it hot, and you add your onions. Unfortunately, when making this video, I forgot to turn on my recorder, so you didn't get to see me do that. But you just keep stirring it until the onions are translucent, and then you're going to pour in your tomato puree. Now, again, I apologize. I forgot to turn the recorder on, so I didn't get to show you me putting it in the pan, but it's there. And you get that good and stirred, and then you put in your spices and you stir those up, and there you go. You just gotta keep stirring it until you get the consistency that you want, and it really works well. So here it is, it's being stirred up. I put it a little fast so you don't have to sit here watching me stir. And here's the final product. It's nice, beautiful color. The aromas in the kitchen are just, oh my God, it's awesome.
So we're back and the marinara sauce is finished. Let me show you the finished product. You gotta see this. This looks so yummy. Anyway, I'm gonna take a taste with it. And I'm going to use a fried pork skin. And, yeah, this is good. This would be great for pizza. And this would be great for spaghetti with the meat sauce. Anything you like to dip in marinara, cheese, breadsticks, this is it. Fresh, homemade. You just learned how to do it. And so, if you like the video, give me a like, subscribe so you can get more, and we'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.